We've heard about the skills gaps problems organizations face as they pursue Gen AI, and they're across business and technical teams. Which use case, which model, how can we incorporate our own data? How can we get started with responsible AI? There's so much complexity, and it's so hard to keep up with the pace of the market that even the most mature organizations with internal expertise and massive budgets are still turning to partners to help them get started and eventually scale. 84% of organizations lean on partners and technology providers to support their Gen AI initiatives. The generative AI partner ecosystem is massive between service providers, system integrators, application and SaaS partners, technology and data platform partners. There's open source partners, model providers, data providers, and most organizations don't have a choice but to lean in and get started. They need to partner with entities that possess specialized knowledge and can bridge skills gaps and navigate the intricacies of Gen AI development. Now, based on the complexity of generative AI, we conducted research to identify what that partnering strategy is like for organizations pursuing Gen AI initiatives. So, we looked into customer requirements for full stack Gen AI solutions, ideal procurement methods, and the roles of partnerships in enabling customers to see greater value faster. Between the surrounding trust challenges, the complexities of integrating Gen AI with existing systems, and ongoing tasks like managing data quality, it's no surprise costs emerged as the most impactful challenge with generative AI. In fact, nearly a quarter of organizations encounter challenges with Gen AI that are deemed significant enough to have a severe financial impact on the business. What this means is there's a significant partner opportunity, especially for specialized vendors and service providers to help optimize investments with offerings that include pre-built models, scalable infrastructure, integration services, and embedded generative AI capabilities. So who's leading the partnering charge? Well, unsurprisingly, it's the cloud service providers. They're the top partners today used to support Gen AI initiatives as cited by 71% of organizations. With public cloud's highly scalable infrastructure, specialized services, faster on ramp, and flexible consumption models, it's no surprise organizations are empowered to efficiently build, test, and iterate Gen AI solutions with confidence while minimizing those upfront investments and operational complexities. But with that said, it's clear that organizations will continue to rely on existing technology providers to consume integrated generative AI capabilities for faster time to value and less risk. Built-in Gen AI capabilities continue to be critical, with nearly three-quarters of organizations focused entirely on leveraging built-in Gen AI features and capabilities from their existing technology providers. Between organizational mandates to start embracing Gen AI and a lack of internal expertise, built-in Gen AI capabilities are providing organizations a fast on-ramp for using the technology in a trusted way and in a controlled environment. So think applications like integrated co-pilots or enhanced chatbots that are informed by enterprise data. So what does all this mean? Organizations aren't just experimenting with Gen AI, they're under pressure to make it work and do so fast. And that means they can't do it alone. The right partnerships aren't just helpful, they're really essential for bridging the skills gap, managing risk, and accelerating value. As Gen AI adoption scales, the question isn't if organizations will rely on partners, it's how they'll choose the right ones to help them navigate this evolving landscape. For more on generative AI partnering strategies, check out the whole report and feel free to reach out to have a more detailed discussion.